Hi friends, Manchester United captain Bruno Fernandes came to his side's rescue with 2 goals in a 4-2 home victory over the Premier League's bottom club Sheffield United on Wednesday, just when more trouble loomed for beleaguered manager Erik ten Hag. Twice United trailed against a side destined for a quick return to the Championship, with Jayden Bogle and Ben Brereton Diaz both on target for the visitors, but Fernandes helped avert another damaging result. He levelled from the penalty spot in the 61st minute after a foul on Harry Maguire, scorer of United's first equaliser. Fernandes then smacked home a sizzling left-footed shot to edge his side in front before setting up Rasmus Højlund to finally subdue their battling opponents. But United's habit of shooting themselves in the foot returned in the 35th minute as keeper Andre Onana aimed a pass towards Dalot, but it was underhit and the alert Bogle ran through to squeeze in a shot. United were level before half-time as Alejandro Garnacho, one of the shining lights in a poor season, whipped in a low cross that Maguire delicately glanced in with his head. The second half was only 5 minutes old when United's defence was breached all too easily again, with Ben Osborne cutting back a pass for Brereton Diaz to stab high into the net. United looked stunned, and quite what new technical director Jason Wilcox and head of football operations Dave Brailsford made of it from the director's box one can only imagine. But United were handed a lifeline when Maguire went down in the box and Fernandes stepped up to send his kick into the corner. Fernandes then showed his class with a superb finish, and United could finally breathe easy as Højlund, who scored the winning penalty on Sunday, steered in Fernandes's pass. Ten Hag's side victory moved them above Newcastle United into 6th place to keep them in the hunt for a European qualifying spot.